Hey there, this is the video I made to help you with your first order. You want to go to your website and click on Shop, go through all the products, see which ones that you would like to try, and then you just add them to your cart. I'll show you what's in my cart right now. It's August and looking forward to the event in November. It's going to be right here close by to me in Reno. Watch this video and you can get a good idea of what events are all about. The price does go up the closer the event gets, so you want to get your tickets pretty quickly. You can save 5% when you do an auto ship, so that's always a good plan. And you're able to remove items, add items, and cancel anytime. Add your payment information, and you're all done. Boom, you got this.